everybody! Welcome to Open House! Today we're at El Mirage and we're going to be launching a rocket! But first, we need to build it! So, first process that we're going to do is creating our engine mount for our engine. It is a C65 ST's brand model rocket motor. Just put that in there and super glue it. Wait a couple minutes for it to dry, and I allow the motor to be placed in like that. You can see the little metal part right there prevents the motor from moving up and down during flight. So, as you can see here, I have attached the spacer rings and insert this mount into the body. Super glue it right there. Then, this, we can attach the fins and it aligns them perfectly. Now we can just twist, lift up, there we go. Our fins are successfully attached. So now it is time to paint the rocket. First coat, hooray! Okay, so when our rocket descends from however high it goes, it's not just gonna free fall and hit the ground at terminal velocity, right? So then we are going to add a parachute, but we're not quite ready to launch just yet. Let me show you why. So, we were about to launch the rocket when we came into a problem. Our launching lug, which is basically a guide tube for the little rod that guides the rocket, fell off, which in this case we were using part of a straw. So we are going to have to glue it back on. We're going to do that right now. And there we go. So here we have our engine, C65, burns for 5 seconds. Then we will take our igniter, which this is the part that actually ignites. There's a little tiny flame and it heats up, and then we will launch it. We'll do this. This is a barometer. It measures the wind, the altitude, and the barometric pressure of the environment. About 10 to 15 miles per hour. We are at 26.93 barometric pressure. We are about to launch the rocket. So, let's go do that. 3, 2, 1, launching! Final altitude 349 feet. Not the highest, but something. Wind is currently about 9 to 14 miles per hour, and the barometric pressure is 26.93. Now we're going to go launch the rocket. 3, 2, 1, launch!